Arcangel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe.
Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Let's have Miss International Queen update. Look for the last night's dinner of our Miss International Queen Philippines 2024 Sophia Arcangel at the Oxygen Beachfront, Oasis, Pattaya, Thailand. Bukas na nga August 22 magaganap ang preliminary competition ng Miss International Queen and our candidate Miss Philippines is ready para makipagbardagulan at ibigay ang kanyang best to win and wear the crown for this year's Miss International Queen competition. Kaya naman pageant lovers, get ready at suportahan natin si Miss International Queen Philippines Sophia Arcangel at panoorin natin para sa preliminary competition ng Miss International Queen. Patuloy na mantabay sa channel na ito para sa lahat ng mga updates at huwag kalimutan na pindutin ang subscribe button. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood.